This is what it sounds like before. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Again. Right at 91. Again. So we're gonna install a kit on it. We're gonna let you guys hear it after. All right, guys. So 2008 Lexus IS 250. We showed you what it sounded like before. This is what we got done on it. Factory converters there. Primaries there. Then he brought his own vibrant to put instead of the resonator. Part number 1792. Then he brought his own bolt-on system by Megan Racing. Right there out the back. This side and this side. Comes out duals compared to the factory. It duals out on the factory right here too. So we installed this vibrant for him and the Megan Racing out the back on each side. There and there. As you guys can see, came out shiny. There it is. And you got these baffles inside of it. You can take out their silencers. You can take them out and make it louder on each side. There's the two mufflers that we took off. I don't know where the resonator is. It's somewhere down there. But there's the two mufflers and there's usually a baby resonator up there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. There will be a link in the description for everything you see. That's got cool taillights too on it. Oh, that's nice. Megan Racing, axle back and vibrant mids. Oh wow. Here's sound decibels. Right at 94. If you take those baffles out, it'll be about 110. Again. Go ahead and back it out. All right, so that's what was inside that made them, they're called silencers, guys. They were inside these mufflers. You heard them before without them, with them in there. So this is how much it makes it quieter. See how much it blocks up the air? So we'll let you guys hear it now and see what you guys think. Yeah, there we go. Again. That's perfect now. Here's sound decibels. Yeah, it finally hit 100. And once it breaks in, it'll even be louder. That sounds so clean. No rasp whatsoever. I'm glad you went with the vibrant in the middle. That helped it a lot. That sounds clean. Let you guys hear on the inside. Lexus IS 250 with a vibrant mid and Megan Racing rear. Megan, whatever you want to call it. That's perfect. Enjoy, guys.